Let's talk more about that in the relation to in understanding the nature when you're doing it, because I found that really interesting when you said you were young and you planted everything. So when you figured that out, why did all those weeds grow? What had you done wrong to make that happen?
Oh, that's another excellent question. So, and that's part of my book as well. Like I explained at the beginning, when you understand how nature works, everything becomes so much easier. And
Mm,
to understand that, what when people are gardening, what are they doing often? Just try and think about, like, you're weeding, but you're trying to keep it look neat, right?
yes. Yeah.
You want to keep the soil, like, you scratch the soil all of the time, right? So you see, like, the
Okay.
soil, and that's an old way of gardening that people for some reason thought it looks more neat to have a garden where you see
Okay.
the soil. But then if you look
Yeah.
into nature and you go out in nature, there's very few places in nature where you have bare soil. Nature,
So true. Yeah. When you go on a hike, there's never, it's not all uniform. Yeah.
no, it's only in agriculture that you need to, yeah, work the land so you can grow what you want to grow. But in nature, it hardly ever happens. Only after a landslide or
Mm,
a wildfire, right? And then how it turns out is that nature has such a robust system of regenerating itself, so restoring itself from a setback, that the first plants that they send out to recover is what we call weeds. And weeds are just a nasty name for annual plants. So annual plants,
oh,
and therefore weeds, they come to fulfill a certain, you could say they come to fulfill a certain prophecy. So each and every plant
okay.
that comes in nature is doing something. It's adding a value to the system. And what the weeds do is that when your soil is bare, it's kind of
Hmm.
disturbed, and the weeds actually recreate the structure of the soil. So, and they add certain minerals to the soil, and each and every weed, which is an annual, comes for a certain reason. So just to give you an example, the the yellow flower, I want to say daffodil, but it's not daffodil. Help me out here. We call them yellow horse flowers, but it's dandelion.
Dandelion?
Dandelion.
Perfect.
Exactly. So dandelions is a great example. When you have them in your garden, it's really like, they're kind of beautiful, and they're actually very medicinal. They're super healthy, and I'll
Mm,
explain.
yeah, dandelion tea and everything.
Exactly. I'll explain why. It'll start making sense. So a dandelion comes, like I said, nature will send out these weeds to your garden to, because you're like trying to keep it neat. So you're
Yeah.
scratching the surface. So you're telling nature, oh, you're back at stage
You
zero.
fill it in.
So,
Yeah.
and nature is like, oh, the soil has been destroyed, so I'm sending in the weeds, and the dandelion comes in. And
Wow.
what a dandelion does, and even when you have dandelions, it's also telling you something about the soil. So dandelions come when your soil is compacted, when there's certain
Okay.
minerals that are lacking in your soil. And how the plant works, the the dandelion has a taproot that can go 6 meter in depth into the soil. So it has that extreme
Wow.
root because it'll go as deep as it needs to go to find the minerals that the top layer of the soil needs, because it's a perennial plant. It comes back
Oh,
every year,
wow.
but it dies off. Like, it'll grow, the leaves will grow, the flower will flower, and then it decomposes. And as it's decomposing over the winter, it leaves all the minerals, and it will keep doing
Wow.
that until the minerals and the soil is decompacted, because the taproot, like, if you ever pulled out a dandelion, you'll try and pull it out and you'll hear tack. It has such a strong taproot, and it keeps growing
Yeah.
back. So we're fighting against something that you can't even win from, because it's trying to actually help you, but we're like doing it, working against it. So if you have a problem with too much weeds, and you want to actually have a garden that's easier to maintain, you have to help nature a hand to go to the next stage. So what you
Yeah.
would then do, because lack of minerals and compacted soil, is you'll use a certain tool that I teach also in my master class. It's pretty much a
Hmm.
garden fork, and you start decompacting the soil. So
Okay.
you might plug out the weed if you want to. You don't even have to, but you're decompacting the soil and you're adding some high quality compost. Like, high quality compost is like the holy grail of effortless gardening. So
Okay.
as you're adding those minerals, which is in the compost, and you're decompacting the soil, the dandelion will disappear naturally, and it's as easy as that. Well, there's more techniques that you need to like understand
Yeah.
really in depth, but the results are amazing. And another reason why, like we said, you already knew, Chelsea, that dandelions are super healthy. It's
Mm.
because they have that super deep taproot that has all the minerals.
All the minerals.
Exactly. So
Wow.
the minerals
I
are
was
good for the
reminded,
soil, but also for our personal health.
and for us, when I was a kid in Ireland, my grandmother used to tell us that if you pick a dandelion, if you pull them, you'll pee your bed that night.
Oh, really?
And we believed it. We believed it as kids, so we never pulled them. But I'm thinking, obviously, that's an old wives' tale, something you tell kids
Yeah,
so they
yeah,
don't
yeah.
pull the flowers or
Oh,
whatever.
yeah.
But is that maybe rooted in let it die and give the soil the minerals? Do you think perhaps that's why they said that, because it
Maybe
doesn't
some
make you pee
older.
your bed?
Yeah, no, it doesn't. Maybe some older knowledge already knew that. I only came across it
Yeah.
more recently. Like, what? Well, in the last couple of years, I started to investigate deep. Like, what? Like every single weed has a story to tell. It
Yeah.
tells you something about the condition of the soil, and it
They're
tells you.
not a nuisance.
No, they actually tell you how you can fix it.
That is amazing. I
Hey
would love to.
everyone, Chelsea here. I would love to take a moment to introduce you to our app, Yoga Plus. You will gain access to an incredible collection of videos led by top instructors in yoga, fitness, nutrition, and so much more. Download our Yoga Plus app today and get a free 14-day trial.